Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds. And guys, I had to just show you these shoes. I did the unboxing yesterday. When they came in, and I didn't show you that video or do that video. This was done in a hurry, and so let me see if I can find but these I ordered from YOOX, and they were such a great deal and such great fun. I wanted to share them with you. There's the Chloe dust bag for each shoe. Comes with a nice little dust bag. And so there's one pair of these left on YOOX.com in a size 7. And I tried and found that a size 38.5 is the right size for me. So that's what size I believe these are. Or a 39 even. Yeah, these are fabulous. I just wanted to let you know that these shoes just turned out beautiful. And I'll list the link for them below. But I mean, these are just stunning and gorgeous. And this I could go for the price of these for a luxury item. So, and I recommend these. There's nothing on them that lets anyone know that these are a luxury shoe. Other than the Chloe stamp on the inside, and there's Chloe made into the rubber on the bottom and stamped in those two places. But you really can't tell these are Chloe, and I actually really love that. But then it makes you go, well, what did I actually pay for? Because they're a great shoe, no doubt, and everything. But yeah, they make a lot of great women's shoes that are not as pricey and are just as functional. So it depends on whether you're into luxury shoes or not. But I did just think I would share this video. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And thanks, guys, and I will see you on the next unboxing video.